Hey, this is Madison. Let's install the Sensei Shuffle. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by unrolling and cutting apart the images. Next, I'll only plan the center placement using the layout guide provided. To begin, I'll remove the backing from my circle and place one side onto the floor. Using a wave motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the circle down. Next, I'll apply the green line to use as a guide to place my second circle. Because I don't have tile, it's a little harder for me to line my images up, so I'll use some blue tape to help me out. Now I'll position the feet. I'll use this black line as a measurement guide to place these first 2 feet. Using an X-Acto knife, I'll cut away the line I don't need. I'll place my next foot in between the 2 circles. Then I'll cut a small portion of the black line to reach the other foot. Repeat these steps down the path. And that's it!